Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down what matters: audience, format, and one clear goal for this piece. Create source notes and examples so the model has context, and pick a model with a temperature between 0, 2 and 0, 7. Once done, send a focus seed prompt that includes tone, word count, and a style example. Make sure to limit tokens to your target length. This gets you a usable first draft fast, rather than starting from an empty page. You now move into iterative development. Ask for an outline, then request paragraph drafts for each heading, and finally prompt rewrites for clarity and flow. Make sure to insert target keywords and produce H2/H3 structure so the piece is search-ready. Test 3 headline variants and pick the strongest. Also run factuality and bias checks by asking the model to cite sources or flag uncertainty. Once you have a second draft, compare versions and keep a changelog of prompt changes to reproduce. You finish by polishing. Run an AI grammar pass, then a human proofread to fix nuance and verify facts. Once polished, schedule publishing, configure distribution channels, and add analytics or UTM tags for tracking. Make sure to archive final prompts and templates so you can replicate the workflow. If things go wrong, if the output drifts in style or invents facts, revert to an earlier prompt, lower the temperature, and add stricter constraints. That single troubleshooting step recovers reliability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.